Welcome to Bodicares, your go-to channel for all things related to skincare and wellness. Today we're diving deep into one of the most common skincare concerns, acne. Join us as we uncover the 5 main causes of acne and provide effective treatment tips to help you achieve clearer, healthier skin. 1. Increased sebum production. Sebum is an oily substance produced by the sebaceous glands to lubricate the skin and hair. However, when these glands produce excess sebum, it can mix with dead skin cells and other debris, leading to the clogging of hair follicles. This creates a favorable environment for the growth of Propionibacterium acnes, P. acnes bacteria, which thrive in these conditions. As a result, the hair follicles become inflamed, leading to the formation of acne breakouts such as pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Solution: use oil-free or non-comedogenic skincare products that won't clog pores. Look for products labeled oil-free or non-comedogenic to help regulate sebum production without exacerbating acne. 2. Clogged pores. Our skin naturally sheds dead skin cells, but when these cells accumulate along with excess oil, they can block pores. This blockage prevents the oil from flowing freely to the skin's surface, resulting in the development of acne lesions. The clogged pores provide an ideal environment for bacteria to multiply, exacerbating inflammation and leading to the formation of acne. Solution: incorporate regular exfoliation into your skincare routine to remove dead skin cells and prevent pore blockages. Choose gentle exfoliants such as salicylic acid or alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, to unclog pores without irritating the skin. 3. Bacteria. P. acnes bacteria are naturally present on the skin's surface. However, when excess sebum and dead skin cells clog pores, these bacteria can multiply rapidly within the hair follicles. As the bacteria proliferate, they trigger an immune response, causing inflammation within the follicle. This inflammatory response manifests as redness, swelling, and the formation of pus-filled pimples and painful nodules. Solution: use topical treatments containing ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or tea tree oil to kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. These treatments can help prevent new breakouts and promote healing of existing acne lesions. 4. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly during puberty, menstrual cycles, pregnancy, or menopause, can influence sebum production. Androgens, the male hormones present in both males and females, stimulate the sebaceous glands to produce more oil. This excess oil can contribute to the development of acne lesions. Hormonal changes can also affect the shedding of skin cells, further exacerbating pore blockages and acne formation. Solution: consult with a healthcare professional to discuss hormonal treatment options, such as oral contraceptives or anti-androgen medications, to regulate hormone levels and reduce sebum production. Additionally, practicing stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga can help manage hormonal fluctuations. 5. Use of inappropriate skincare products. Certain skincare products containing ingredients like alcohol or comedogenic substances can disrupt the skin's natural balance and exacerbate acne. Alcohol-based products can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to increased sebum production as the skin tries to compensate. Similarly, pore-clogging ingredients can contribute to the formation of acne lesions by further blocking pores and trapping bacteria and debris within them. Choosing non-comedogenic, gentle skincare products suitable for your skin type can help prevent acne flare-ups. Solution: choose skincare products specifically formulated for acne-prone skin and free from pore-clogging ingredients like mineral oil or lanolin. Opt for gentle, fragrance-free formulations that won't irritate or exacerbate acne. Additionally, patch test new products before applying them to your entire face to minimize the risk of adverse reactions. Thank you for tuning into Bodicares. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the root causes of acne and how to address them effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips, product reviews, and wellness advice. Remember, taking care of your skin is an essential part of self-care. Until next time, stay glowing.